Every year, scientists formally describe more than 15,000 new species. These species are not new to the planet. They have existed for a very long time. Humans simply noticed them late, because we reached their habitats much later. This delay in discovery is common in places that are difficult to access. Rainforests are a clear example. They cover only a small part of Earth's land, but they contain an extremely large number of species. In Madagascar, scientists discovered a very small chameleon called Brookesia micra. It lives quietly in fallen leaves on the forest floor. This species evolved over millions of years in isolation, without any connection to humans. Its survival never depended on being seen. The same pattern appears with plants. In the Amazon region and parts of Southeast Asia, scientists identify new orchid species almost every year. Many of these plants grow only under very specific conditions, such as on one type of tree or at a particular altitude. Their structures developed because of climate, soil, and competition for resources. They were shaped by their environment, not by human attention. While forests hide life with density, the ocean hides it with depth. Large areas of the ocean remain unexplored because of extreme pressure and darkness. Deep below the surface, where sunlight cannot reach, scientists continue to discover new organisms. One example is Bathynomus yucatanensis, a giant sea creature found more than 1,500 meters underwater. Its body developed under conditions that humans can barely survive, let alone observe. Another example is the Dumbo octopus. Humans became aware of it only after advanced machines were built to explore the deep sea. These animals existed long before such technology was possible. Their forms developed only to function within their environment. Human discovery played no role in their evolution. In some cases, humans never observe living species at all. We learn about them only through fossils. Ammonites were sea animals that lived hundreds of millions of years ago. Their shells formed detailed spiral patterns as they grew. Feathered dinosaurs such as Microraptor also show complex feather structures preserved in rock. These creatures lived and disappeared without ever being seen by humans. Discovery is not limited to living organisms. Some natural phenomena were also present long before they were understood. Along certain coastlines, waves glow at night because of tiny organisms called Noctiluca scintillans. People witnessed this for centuries, but science explained it much later. In tropical forests, glowing mushrooms such as Mycena chlorophyllus produce light in the dark. These forests existed long before modern observation. Some ecosystems remained unknown simply because humans could not reach them. Deep caves like Hang Son Doong in Vietnam contain animals that live without light, including blind fish and insects. These species evolved slowly in isolation. Similarly, Mount Roraima in South America supports plant species found nowhere else on Earth. These environments developed independently, without human involvement. In contrast, some species were discovered only shortly before they disappeared. The Rapp's fringe-limbed tree frog was described in 2005 and became extinct in the wild within a few years. This shows how much life existed beyond human records and how limited our observation has been. Taken together, these examples point to the same conclusion. Nature does not create life to be noticed. Life develops in response to environment and survival needs. What humans often call beauty is simply the result of these processes working effectively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Nature's Dairy for more amazing stories from the natural world. See you next time.